What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and today we're going to be doing quick and easy meals. During this whole quarantine stuff, sometimes you get the munchies, you want to be able to do something really quick, and this is going to be your little tool to do so. We're going to be using the CrispLid, and we're also going to be using the Mealthy pot by Mealthy. Let's get started. So one of my favorite quick meals is always brunch. What you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need a deep basket with some parchment paper, the Mealthy multi-pot, some hash browns, some ham or whatever kind of cold cut you got remaining, and then an egg and some salt and pepper. So there's the egg. I put it in a little stainless steel container or bowl. I'll add my salt and pepper to it. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw in my frozen hash browns, just like that. And I'm also gonna get my ham in there as well. Now, this recipe is not really a recipe, it's really an instructions. Every now and then you get those little quick munchies that you want to be able to do quickly. And with the Mealthy multi-pot, using the Mealthy CrispLid, you can have this meal or little snack done for you in literally about 7 minutes. So I'm going to put everything in, put the trivet on the bottom, go ahead and put the Mealthy CrispLid right on top. I'm going to set it at 425 and I'm going to do it for 7 minutes. So before you know it, you got yourself a little quick breakfast brunch, just for yourself or a couple of folks if you want. But the whole thing is, it's quick and easy. One pot, one mess. You don't have to be dealing with it. Put it in, forget it. Let's go to my quick and simple, easy meal, what I also have a craving for as well during this quarantine time, and that is grilled cheese. So obviously you're gonna need some bread. You're gonna need some 3 cheese blend if you like it cheesy, some slices of cheese, and I like margarine. You can also use butter. You need the CrispLid, and of course you need the Mealthy multi-pot. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my margarine out. I'm gonna coat my bread on all sides with margarine. I'm gonna go ahead and put my sliced cheese down, put a couple of those pieces of 3 cheese blend, make it super cheesy, get some more margarine, coat the other side, put another piece of sliced cheese right on there, cover that up. Actually, no, let's go some more. Let's put some more in there. And now we're gonna coat the outside of the bread with margarine. This is just to give it that super crisp crust. It tastes super gooey and delicious. And I'm gonna throw some cheese on top of that, just to kind of give it a nice little baked cheese feel on top of my grilled cheese. I'm gonna put it in my deep basket, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my Mealthy multi-pot with my trivet at the bottom. Go ahead and put the basket in, and this one's gonna be even quicker. You put your Mealthy CrispLid on top, and we're gonna be setting this for 4 minutes at 425. Okay, and before you know it, that beautiful glow comes on, and then from there, you got yourself a beautiful grilled cheese sandwich. The reason why I like using this machine is, hey, everybody has cravings, and especially during this quarantine time, cravings come out a lot more. So there's my grilled cheese, super gooey, super cheesy, everything's melted through, super crispy. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I do have links in the descriptions on how you can actually get your hands on one of these devices. Have yourself a great day. Take care.